at the kitchen. Jody is cooking.
Wagwan, wagwan. Today, guys, I've got a review for you all. Yes. So, guys, normally here in the UK, after Christmas, you always have sale on Boxing Day. So, guys, I get some few stuff out of the sale. I get Crockpot, air fryer, and I also have some more stuff. I never used a Crockpot before, and I never used air fryer before. So guys, I hope you all do enjoy this review. I cannot wait for you guys to try all these recipes that I'm gonna make. If you have any idea on what you want me to make in my Crockpot or my air fryer, you just comment below and tell me. Yeah, this is the Crockpot slow cooker. Just gonna open it up. And as I said, guys, I never yet used a crock pot. It's something different, you know. Oops. Wow. Guys, it's big. It's very big. Woo! Look at this. It is so huge, guys. So huge. And one thing I like with this crock pot, guys, you can also put it on the stove and allow it to sear your meat. So you can put it on your stove pot and allow the meat to sear. Yes, this is really big, guys. Honestly, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. It is so big. Super, super big. Look at that. I love it. I really, really love it. This is the lid for it. Love this crock pot, guys. I love it bad. I cannot wait to cook into it. Let me know, guys, if you do have a crock pot at your house, what do you normally cook in your crock pot? Give me some idea. At least you can share some idea with me in the comment section so I know. And this is my air fryer. And I get the Ninja, that's the brand. So guys, drop some ideas in the comment section and tell me what do you normally cook in an air fryer. Because as I said, I never used this thing before. It's something new. Because I just want to switch up my channel just a bit. Because I know many of you, you want to see different recipe than what I normally have. So that's one of the reasons why I get an air fryer. I'm planning to jerk some chicken in my air fryer. But no one said that I got taste good. Look at that. Woo! Guys, this is huge. Just like the slow cooker, it is big as well. Oh, I'm gonna take this out. Wow, 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 wow. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Perfect. Honestly, I cannot wait. I can't wait to cook into it. I cannot wait. Let I open it up. This is the book with all the information. Big up my mother if she watch a video here. Guys, this watch here, my mother buy me this watch. She gave me this watch. She always support me. Always, always. This air fryer is really, really big. Oh my gosh. Woo! Guys, look at this bad boy. It is super big. Very, very big. But I try and open this. So this is where you put, you know, your chicken, your potato. This look so good. I'm loving this one. I really, really, really like it. Perfect. All the information is right here. Yeah. You can roast in it, reheat. My God, so many things is on it, guys. Wow. So guys, would you use an air fryer? Is it for you or is it not for you? But you know what? You can just give it a try, because as I said, I never yet used these type of things. It's something different, because I know that I have a lot of people follow me all over the world, and I know that you guys are looking for different recipes. So that's the reason why I buy it. Yeah, and obviously I want to use it also, you know, for my children them. Instead of cooking, you know, putting food in the oven, sometimes I can always put it in the air fryer. But let me know down below, guys, what you prefer. Is it for you or is it not for you? And I also buy a chopping board. I buy a different one. And these stuff, guys, I'm sure you can get the air fryer on Amazon or on eBay. This one I buy them August in the UK. I buy it online. Yeah. So this is my chopping board. It's quite small, but I like the color of it. Dark brownish color. It's not bad. Yeah. And guys, I also buy cast iron. Yes. These were so expensive, guys. They were like 40 something pound here in the UK, 45 pound, but I get them on sale for 33 pound, which is really cheap, because they are very expensive and they're so heavy, super heavy. It looks so good. I don't really want to burst open it. I want to take my time and open it. Okay. So this one is like a shallow one. It's very shallow. It's very thick, guys. Very thick and heavy. I see why it's so expensive. I love the color. If the red one was on sale, I would have choose the red one, but the red one wasn't on sale, so I have to get the cream one instead. There's the cover. I love it. I love it. And it was on sale, which is really good. And I also buy another cast iron, but this one is more bigger. It is much bigger. Guys, honestly, when you get these things on sale, you have to buy it, because otherwise would have to pay for the original price. So I'm gonna say no, make a sacrifice and buy it. So much box up there, so look at it, guys. Oops. Yes, as you can see, guys, this is more bigger. Another one was more shallow, but this one is, you know, this one you can cook rice in it, stew, oxtail, yeah, fried chicken as well. So this is what this look like, guys. Hope you all can see properly. And I'm so happy it can go into the oven. Yes, honestly, guys, I really done myself good and me buying all these, because I know it's very useful, especially for my YouTube channel. It's very useful. So I'm happy I get them. I'm happy with everything that I buy. The cover, it heavy, no man. No sir, this too heavy. Look. Perfect. So guys, I thank you all so much for watching this video. Comment below and tell me what's your favorite thing here that I buy, okay? And let me know if you use the cast iron and what do you cook into it. Yeah, I hope you all do enjoy this little review. Until next time, bye. Love you all. Thank you all so much for all your love and your support. God bless you all. Bye till next time. Bye.